Although once a skeptic, AI has revolutionized my workflow and approach to business. I believe that AI is crucial for anyone looking to stay competitive in today's digital landscape. Watch until the end to see how it can benefit you also. I use AI to compose music, paint images, brainstorm ideas for videos, and assist in nearly every aspect of my business journey. Honestly, without AI, I believe that I'd be left behind. I know my limitations, and AI is an amazing tool that I know other creators use. As Julius Caesar once said, experience is the teacher of all things. Despite all the best tips and tricks videos I've watched, nothing has matched the essential role AI plays in my processes. It has expanded my skill set through learning experiences. Now you're probably asking, when and where should I use AI? Let's consider ChatGPT, which has been invaluable for me. I paid $20 per month for access to GPT-4 and other LLMs, large language models. I believe that it's absolutely worth the small investment. Think of AI not as a tool, but a symbiotic partner in your creative and operational processes. It's not quite a copy and paste yet, but it's an invaluable collaborator from start to finish. AI and robotics are poised to transform our world, much like the rise of cell phones and personal computers. There was heavy skepticism about the internet in the late 90s and even the early 2000s. Now it's nearly impossible to imagine life without emails, Google, YouTube, and social media. All of those have had a global impact just because of the nature of the internet. My prediction is that in the next 2 to 5 years, there will be those who use AI and those who don't. Those who embrace this partnership will significantly outperform those who resist it. During my experience in IT, I faced heavy skepticism and criticism from coworkers who doubted the quality of my work that was produced with the assistance of AI in the form of ChatGPT. I actively sought to prove them wrong, and honestly, I frequently did. AI has not only helped me learn programming languages like PowerShell and Python, but it has also streamlined the process. It has allowed me to conceptualize and refine scripts faster and more effectively. I envision a future where experience with AI systems will be a sought-after skill on resumes. And to be completely honest, when I am to the point where I can start hiring employees for my business, proficiency in AI will be a requirement, no matter what position, whether they're an editor, a social media manager, or an accountant. In talks about the future with my daughter, I've advised her that engaging with robotics and AI tech is critical. Understanding and collaborating with AI will be crucial in future success, echoing the words of Julius Caesar that I mentioned earlier. By the time my daughter's my age, so about 20 years from now, I believe that traditional roles like a hairdresser or a chef, artists, and probably even some programmers will be transformed. Although it's not an entirely popular opinion, AI will most likely replace humans in the workforce. Something I think we should consider in all of this is the role of a travel agent. They are still around, but their roles have significantly evolved. They now cater to a much smaller niche than there was 20 to 30 years ago, mainly because of travel sites brought on by the expansion of the internet and available information. I believe it's important to realize that the wave of AI isn't just coming, it's already here. AI isn't just about technology, it's about shaping our future together. It's about being at the forefront of innovation and ensuring that we are not only consumers of this new technology, but also collaborators and innovators. I encourage you to start exploring AI, understanding how it works, capabilities, and thinking about how it can fit into your professional and personal life. The future will be powered by AI, much like how our modern day is driven by the internet, computer systems, and smartphones. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel for more weekly insights and inspiration. Also, drop a like and leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay vigilant.